What's the meaning of compendium? Compendium. Compendium.
Compendium. Compendium. Compendium refers to a comprehensive collection of information or knowledge on a particular subject. It is a concise yet detailed summary of a larger body of work, often organized in alphabetical or thematic order for easy access and reference. Compendia are commonly used in academic and professional fields such as science, medicine, and law, to provide accessible and authoritative overviews of complex topics. They are also utilized by students and researchers as study aids or reference materials. In essence, a compendium serves as a condensed guide to a specific area of study or expertise.